Rainy day. Good guess, we're not mowing yards today. Got this trailer full of junk over there that's been there for a few months because I haven't had time to go dump it because I've been super busy mowing. So rainy day, I'm gonna take the chance to go dump this shit. Figure I'll bring y'all along. So right now I'm about to take the mower trailer off, hook up to this trailer, gotta air the tires up, and then we're gonna be on the way. So come along, come along. All loaded up, got the tires aired up, put a couple of straps on there. About to hit the road. Hopefully that one. Damn it, man. They charge extra for mattresses, but I'm gonna say I'm keeping the mattresses and then I'm gonna try and throw them out. That's definitely not gonna stay, but we'll see. Don't tell them I said that about the mattresses. The gas lights off. Fucking raining, there's fucked up. Look at these wipers. Wipers are trash. You guys can tell, trailer's empty. It's a new day. Still gloomy. It don't look like a new day. But got off the mattresses. They didn't catch me that time, luckily. Just got done mowing about 30 minutes ago. Same setup. If you guys see my lawn care setup, just got a new mower. added to the fleet, because you know that Hustler I was talking about was trash. But yeah, I figured I'd bring you guys along for this short video, show you what I did on a rainy day, what my work consists of, because I own a lawn care business. I do lawn mowing, so when it rains you can't mow. And I needed to dump that because it's been there for months and it was pretty bad. So figured I'd show you guys. I guess that's it. If you guys like what I do or what I did in this video, be sure to let me know. If you guys want to see some mowing clips, or not clips, videos of us mowing. Season's almost over. It's what, September 15th? Yeah, September 15th. Mowing for me ends probably next month, October, somewhere around in there. So if you guys want some mowing vids, let me know. The grass ain't really grown, so it probably wouldn't be that satisfying. Either way, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you guys want to see some mowing clips, or what type of videos you guys want to see. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.